Hello fellow bikers, here's a quick how-to video on how to replace your stock Harley Davidson headlight with an LED headlight. I got this one from Amazon, made by SunPie, for 113 bucks. Now I chose this one because of the good reviews and I'm cheap. It really is an easy install and should take you less than a half an hour to complete it. Only tools you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a couple of torque wrenches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, take off the retaining screw on the bottom of the headlight bezel. When that's out, the bezel should just pop right off. You have 3 more Phillips head screws that hold on the headlight retainer ring. Remove those screws and the retainer ring will come off.
A few moments later.
It's best to have a hold on the headlight now because it will just fall right out. Remove the headlight and you have 2 wire harnesses connected to the headlight, one for high beams and one for low beams. Unplug those and put the headlight over in that pile of stock Harley parts that you'll never use again but need to store in your garage for at least 3 years. Before and after. Here's the stock headlight, which we will call before. Okay, moving on, we have 4 torque screws that hold on the headlight bracket. The LED headlight from SunPie comes with a completely new bracket, which just kind of a plug and play, put it on. So remove the 4 screws and pull off the bracket. That too can go into the pile of stock Harley parts and sit in your garage for 3 years. Get your new LED headlight and plug into the adapter, also conveniently supplied by Amazon and SunPie. I opted for the $17 adapter without the $120 expert installation charge. Match the adapter harness to both the low beam and high beam connectors. Make sure you got those right and make sure you have the polarity correct. It won't hurt the LED light if you turn it on in reverse polarity, but it just won't come on. On mine, the adapter harness with the red and black wire are for the high beam. Yours would probably be the same. Make sure the harness connectors lock into place on the Harley Davidson wiring harness. You can then cram that shit back into the fairing and align the headlight and the mounting holes for the headlight bracket. Screw in the 4 mounting screws. With the headlight bracket securely in place, you can now take off the protective film. Replace the headlight bezel and you're good to go. And now the moment of truth. Will it turn on? Will the high beams work? And if so, is it any better? As you can see, the light is much brighter. I rode it later on that night and it just was so much better. On mine, the headlight alignment was almost dead on. It only required a little bit of adjustment. I hope this helped you out and shown you that with just a few simple tools and one simple mind, you can replace your headlight in a very short time. And not only do you get a lot brighter light, look at this. It just looks a lot better. Very happy with it. Throw down a like if you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you on the road, and with this new headlight, I'll be able to see you even at night.